Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the aluminium frame and checking the spline width so the new mesh fits snugly. Use a flathead to pry out the corner of the spline, then pull the spline and old mesh away. This exposes the groove. Once done, clean the groove of dirt and old adhesive with a small brush or cloth so the new screen seats evenly. Make sure to keep parts organized, because aluminum corners and clips can be very small and easy to lose. You place the replacement mesh over the frame and align it so you can tension it evenly. Pull from opposite sides to remove slack without distorting the frame. Start pressing new spline into the groove at the center of a long side and roll toward the corners, which ensures uniform tension and prevents wrinkles. Once the spline is seated around, trim the surplus mesh close to the spline with a sharp utility knife. Make sure to cut at a slight angle. You reinstall the screen into the aluminium window and operate the sash to check for binding or loose sections. The screen should lie flat and not sag. If you see a wrinkle, release the spline a few centimeters, pull the mesh taut toward the wrinkle and reseat the spline. This corrects tension without full removal. Make sure to inspect corners and clips. If the frame is bent or clips are broken, replace those parts first, because a compromised frame will make any screen job fail prematurely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.